Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì Hajiara Malifa TV. Ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì yìí, ẹ hàn notification button kẹ́ lè láǹfààní àti gbádùn wa síwájú sí i. Àjọṣepọ̀ wa la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí.
Tasued láàrin Ilese
From what year to what year?
2016, 2021.
2021. So what are you still doing in the school premises by 2023, 2024?
I came to
wọ́n ní lọ́wọ́ àwọn Fúlàní yìí ni wọ́n ti gba Abdullahi Mohammed ni ó ń pín owó ayédèrú ètò wọ aṣọ dúdú yẹn. Òun ni wọ́n ní wọ́n bá àwọn owó ayédèrú yìí lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀.
A sì wà lẹ́nu yẹn ó kàn ní ó yẹ kó ṣàlàyé tó jáde ó kàn sọ́nà àbí wọ́n fi. Okay, wẹ́ẹ̀ náà lè ti ní.
Fake lélẹ̀, that is original lẹ́ ń wò tí lélẹ̀ nígbà tí eléyìí jẹ́ fake.
Okay, owó àwọn tó gbà rí ransom lélẹ̀. Kí ló dé tó fi gbé kí ló fi ṣe? Tani jàmẹ́ òun ló ní kò gbé ògbà tó gbé fún kọ́ kí ló ń fi ṣe? Ó tà fún yẹn. Èlò ló ń tà?
Iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn, olú iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá eléyìí tó wà ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn ní Iléwéran l'Ábẹ́òkúta. Ní àìpẹ́ láì jìnnà ẹ máa rí ojú àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ afurasí ọ̀daràn eléyìí tí iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n ti rọ́wọ́ tó láti lè fi ojú wọn wọ̀n lórí ẹ̀sùn kan àbí míì eléyìí tí wọ́n ti ṣe. Láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà yìí á ṣìṣọ́ lójú wọn. Ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ.
Lóríṣiríṣi àwọn ọṣẹ rèé lóríṣiríṣi àwọn nǹkan bomb action pistol local gun àti àwọn ọta ìbọn lóríṣiríṣi akéèrè lórí iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn ní Iléwéran ibẹ̀ la wà.
Ilé
ẹ̀kọ́ gíga Tasued tí wọ́n fipá bá wọn lò pọ̀, irinṣẹ́ wọn tí wọ́n ń lò láwùjọ tí wọ́n ló ń tà rèé. Àwa ò tiẹ̀ dá a mọ̀ láwùjọ lójú ẹ̀ rèé. Iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá Iléwéran wọ́n rèé.
Lára àwọn ohun tí wọ́n gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn afurasí ọ̀daràn náà lẹ́ ń wò nílẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ yìí. Wọ́n ní eléyìí tẹ̀ ń wò yìí jẹ́ owó ayédèrú ni àwọn wọ̀nyí tó wà lápá bí. Wò lára ohun tí wọ́n gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọ̀daràn náà ni gbogbo ètí ẹ̀ ń wò nílẹ̀ yìí. Wọ́n ní lọ́wọ́ àwọn Fúlàní yìí ni wọ́n ti gba Abdullahi Mohammed ni ó ń pín owó ayédèrú ètò wọ aṣọ dúdú yẹn. Òun ni wọ́n ní wọ́n bá àwọn owó ayédèrú yìí lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀.
A sì wà lẹ́nu yẹn ó kàn ní ó yẹ kó ṣàlàyé tó jáde ó kàn sọ́nà àbí wọ́n fi. Okay, wẹ́ẹ̀ náà lè ti ní.
Fake lélẹ̀, that is original lẹ́ ń wò tí lélẹ̀ nígbà tí eléyìí jẹ́ fake.
Okay, owó àwọn tó gbà rí ransom lélẹ̀.
Ọ̀gá mi jẹ́ kọ́ṣẹ́ wa aláwo ni.
Ọlọ́run máa lọ wá o. Àwọn olólélẹ̀. Ṣe rí ọ̀gbẹ́ni tẹ́ ń wò lọ́ọ̀kan ilé tó wà láàrin tó wàṣọ dúdú ní wọ́n porúkọ rẹ̀ ní Abdullahi Mohammed. Lára àwọn ohun tí wọ́n ní wọ́n tún gbà ní àkàtà rẹ̀ ní gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe sọ, wọ́n ní lára àwọn kan tí wọ́n jí gbé tẹ́lẹ̀ ló jẹ́ wípé wọ́n bá ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ onítọ̀hún lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ tó sì ń ṣètò láǹfààní láti máa mú láti lò ó. Ṣùgbọ́n ní kò pẹ́ kò jìnnà wọ́n ní ẹnu ọlọ́fà tẹ́ rí yẹn ni mo ta ti máa ń dùn. Ẹ ó gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu òun fúnra rẹ̀ nísàn-án.
Níbo lábẹ́òkúta? Ìkèrèkú bo. Mọ́lé Ìjẹ̀bú Òde yẹn náà bí yín sílẹ̀ ń gbé tipẹ́tipẹ́. Kí ni àjọṣepọ̀ yín ẹ̀yin àti ẹni tí ó gbébọn sínú yàrá yín? Iṣẹ́ wo?
Ó kàn ń gbé ó ń ṣe bàtà ní first room nínú building tí mò ń gbé ni.
Ló kàn wá ní ẹ bóun gbébọn dání.
Èmi kò gbé fún mi direct. Ìgbà tá a travel ní December tá a lọ fọ́dún, ó ní spare key wa. Ìgbà tí màá dẹ̀ fi dé ní January yìí ni mo bá bọ̀ ń bẹ̀.
Kí ni àjọṣepọ̀ ẹ̀yin tí ẹ fẹ́ ẹ̀yin àti ẹni tí ẹ fún ní spare key yàrá yín?
Mi kọ́ mo fún spare key mú.
Ta ló fún ní spare key?
Student ni mo wá ṣe sí ayé mi. Ìgbà tó dẹ̀ congratulate mo fi padà wá ní January láti wá ṣe final. Ó ti congratulate mi.
Course wo ló ṣe?
Library and Information Science. Library and Information Science.
Ọdún wo ló wọlé?
2016.
Ọdún wo ló ṣe tán?
2021 bọ̀mọ next ayé.
2021 ló ṣe tán. Kí ló wá padà lọ láti?
Mo ṣe extra year.
Mo ṣe extra year.
Láti lọ sígbà wo?
2022, 2023 mo wá padà ṣe extra year. My name is Ibrahim Abdulaziz.
Speak up a bit, please.
Your name again?
Ibrahim Abdulaziz.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years.
What's your occupation?
I'm a student.
So what were you brought to anywhere where you could have been supported?
Policemen saw some guns inside my home.
How many guns?
7 guns.
Student of which institution?
Famous.
Gerard.
So, can you see that?
Adekunle Gerard. Gerard.
Gerard kini?
Adekunle Gerard.
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 Okay. So, kini ọmọdé mélòó ni?
27 years now.
Ibo lẹ ń gbé?
Gbogila gan ni mo gbé.
Gbogila? Ní
Yewa.
Yewa. Iṣẹ́ wo lẹ ń ṣe ní Gbogila?
Mo manage farm ẹ̀gbọ́n mi.
Kí ni ó wà ní fáàmù yẹn? Kí ni irú oko ni?
Crops ni àwọn kan bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀gúsí bí abẹ́ páàkì àwọn nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ náà.
So kí ló wá sọ yín di tọlọ́pàá? Lórí táwọn ọlọ́pàá fi.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan ló kó bá mi jàre.
Lórúkọ rẹ náà kí báwo ló ṣe kó báyìí? Ṣàlàyé.
Òun ló ní pé máa nǹkan pé ká pè é pé ká threaten pé a máa rú gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. So àwa pè máa yẹn, so àwa threaten máa yẹn. So máa yẹn wá send owó, so owó yẹn ló fà á tí mo fi wá mi báyìí.
Tani máa náà kí ni ìdí tó fi ní kẹ́ ẹ pé èlò ló send?
My business man máa yẹn 500,000 ló send. 500,000.
Kí ni ó ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ta ló pè inú yín? Ṣẹ́yìn lẹ pè?
Àwọn méjèèjì náà lájọ bá sọ̀rọ̀.
Irú ẹni wo ni máa yẹn?
Businessman.
Threat?
Businessman.
Owó business wo gbogbo ló ṣe?
Mi ò mọ business tó ń ṣe, mi ò mọ rí o.
Ṣé wọ́n transfer owó yẹn ní àkáǹtì ta ló transfer ẹ̀ sí?
Àkáǹtì man kan tó ń ta apple phone transfer sí.
Ṣé kò lákàtí àwọn transfer sílẹ̀ báyìí?
Àkáǹtì tó ń ta phone lọ transfer sí. Ìgbà tí mo fẹ́ lọ gba phone yẹn lọ mú mi, nǹkan tí mo sọ nìyẹn.
Ìgbà tó fẹ́ lọ gba fóònù wọn mọ̀, irú fóònù wo lẹ́ni ẹ fẹ́ rà tó fi transfer 500,000?
500,000. 11. iPhone 11.
iPhone kí ni?
11.
Èló wọ́n ń tà?
500,000.
Ni wọ́n ń ta iPhone 11. Tani máa ò?
Mi ò mọ̀.
Ẹnì kejì ẹyẹ bò ní ẹ wà. Ìgbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ lọ gba owó fóònù yẹn lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wọ́n transfer sí.
Òun wà nílé.
Ṣé òun mọ̀ pé wọ́n fẹ́ lọ gbà á?
Ó mọ̀.
Tẹ́ bá wá ra fóònù yẹn, ṣé ẹ̀yin méjèèjì wọn máa pín lóní àbí báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀?
Àwọn ìjọba ti rà náà, èmi náà mo fẹ́ rà lò.
Báwo lọ̀rọ̀ kidnapping ṣe wá jẹ́?
Èmi ò mọ̀ wọ́n pa kidnapping náà.
Ó mọ ọkàn pa kidnapping. Báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ pé wọ́n ní nọ́mbà ẹ̀ ohun ẹni wọ́n gbọ́ nígbà tí wọ́n play voice àwọn tí wọ́n ń threaten àwọn tí wọ́n kidnap. Voice ẹni wọ́n gbọ́, ó ṣe voice ẹ̀ ṣe débẹ̀.
Wọn ò kidnap anybody, orí fóònù láti bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, a kidnap anybody.
Kí lẹ bá wọn sọ lórí fóònù yẹn ṣàlàyé díẹ̀?
Àgọ̀ threat wọn pé kó send owó sí wa ni.
Kí náà ṣe tẹ̀fí ní kó send owó ṣàlàyé dáadáa.
Àgọ̀ threat wọn náà ni, wọ́n lè send.
Irú threat wo lẹ fún ọ? Kí lẹ sọ? Báwo ni kí ni ẹ ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀? Àlàyé yẹn ò jẹ́ kó clear. Because ohun tó máa sọ táwọn èèyàn máa gbọ́ tó máa ní ẹni yìí ń parọ́ ni nothing that like that.
threatening.
Okay, sorry. Sorry, let
Like Taishola and University of
From what year to what year?
2016, 2021.
2021. So what are you still doing in the school premises by 2023 or 2024?
I came to come and do my extra year.
Can you speak up, please?
My extra year. Carry over, yes.
When did you not finish the carryover you came to do?
Last year. And
Last year. So now in a bit, what happened? What brought you to Ilese here?
they saw guns in my room.
How many guns?
7 guns.
What are you doing with 7 guns?
I'm not the owner of the guns.
Then explain.
It's Kudus Akoni that kept it inside our room.
You belong to the same court.
No, I'm not a cultist.
And you have all of this
No, I'm not the owner of the juju. It's not my own. They made the juju. It's the Kudus room. They made the juju. It's not my own room.
So where is the Kudus? Where is the
I don't know where.
and you are living with these materials, these contrabands for months, and you did not know. How big is your room?
Normal room.
Normal room. And you were living inside that place without noticing that this type of materials are in your room.
So, what do you have to say to this now?
I'm begging that if they can see that Kudus, we can talk more about this gun. That I'm not the owner of the gun.
These are the guns, right?
Those are the guns recovered from his room. But it said Kudus owns the jujus we are seeing beside the guns.
When was the police? When did the police get you arrested?
In the midnight.
What day? And of what month?
27th of this month.
27th of January.
Yes.
Was when we got arrested. For how many long has this guns been in your possession? Or let me say in the room, like you claim?
I just met it on the 14th of January.
Since that 14th of January when you said you met it, why didn't you go report to, a station nearest to you?
Because I don't know how to go and complain.
You don't have to go and complain. So when the police now came to you, how do you now complain to them? How do you now tell the police you are aware it is in the possession of your room before?
Yeah, I told them that it's Akoni Kudus that come and kept it in my room.
Which of the fraternity do you belong to?
I'm not a cultist. No, I'm not a cultist.
But who are the cultists you know that stay with you or you stay together with?
It's only Kudus that.
Then which of the fraternity Kudus belongs to?
I don't really know, but maybe it's here. I don't really know.
What's your name once again?
Ibrahim Abdulaziz.
What age?
28.
From which town?
Ogun State, Abeokuta.
Abeokuta. Which side in Abeokuta?
Ikireko.
So what do you want the government to do now?
The government
You're not speaking up.
The government should please, if they can help me to find the Kudus, Kudus can tell them that I'm not the
But
owner.
when the day said the police came to your house, where was Kudus then?
I don't know.
And Kudus not sleep in house?
No.
How many days has he slept in the room before you were apprehended?
No.
No, let me understand. Who owns that building? Who owns the apartment?
My own.
Who owns it? Who pays for it? Who is paying for that rent?
Caleb.
Who is Caleb?
It's not around for now.
Where has he been to? How many days has he been around or left?
We left together on the December 24 last year.
So definitely, you are the only one around for now.
I come and do my final clearance.
So when Kudus brought all this to your room?
No, we don't.
Wait. When Kudus brought it to your room, who did Kudus handed
Who
over them
received
to?
it from Kudus?
Who received it?
Nobody. He had our spare key.
Kudus has a spare key to your room.
Who
Yes.
gave Kudus the
Who
spare
gave
key?
him?
I don't really know about that one because I came back to come and do my extra year.
You said Caleb pay for the rent.
Yes.
You are just do you mean you and Caleb just contribute money to have the room, or Caleb is the full person that pay for the rent? You are just cutting with Caleb,
To come.
and Kudus is cutting, Abi.
No.
Okay.
You know the workshop.
Okay, Kudus is having a workshop outside the building.
No, inside the building,
A room workshop. What kind of work is he doing there?
Shoemaking.
Okay, he's making shoe. Oh, Caleb owns the room. You are squatting with Caleb. Kudus has a workshop, and Kudus was the one that put the guns in the house. But
When did you
know about
discover
it.
the guns in your room?
On the 14th of January.
On the 14th of January.
How do you know that it's those that owns the guns?
I got a meeting that because he's the only one that has our spare key.
But you just said it now that you did not know he has a spare key.
I
No,
said
he said he has spare key.
spare key. He has our spare key, but I
I
don't
asked
know
him
who.
how did the spare key go to
I
Kudus? He
don't
said he
know.
doesn't know because he's cutting in the room as well. Is that what you explained?
Yes.
So when you now went to Kudus, what did he tell you?
He told me that you come and carry it, that he's calling me that you come and carry it.
Why didn't you go report when Kudus said you
That
come and carry it?
is my own mistake.
Original now, not English. This one be okay, they say don't be local. This one, don't be local. Abadoke Aradi. So
Franklin. English, man. If I use
What's your
English.
name?
My name is Franklin Walaka. Franklin Walaka.
What brought you to Ilese?
To be honest, ma, up till now, I don't know what it is particularly because on Friday, when they came to pick him up, we just heard that they said
Friday?
the last
Friday.
yes, ma.
Okay.
They came to pick him up, and he's living in the next house of my house. So they picked him up on Friday, and I didn't know what exactly happened. So on Monday, he just brought the police to my house, and the police knocked on my door, and I opened, and they brought
Around
me
what
out
time?
in the morning.
Okay.
That was in the morning. So they brought me out, and they took me to the car. They now asked me to look at the car, and I saw him. They asked me, "Do I know him?" I said, "Yes, I know him. He lives opposite." And that was how they took me. But to be honest, man, when they came to my room, they met those two loud. That's it. Yes, man. In my room, yes. I can't lie about that one.
So when you got to police station, what you were told your offense was?
They didn't tell me anything particularly. They just said, since I know him, I know him. I said yes. Yes, sir. Alright. Yeah, I was initiated when I was in 100 level. When I was in 100 level, I was first. Yes, man, that's what I'm saying.
Are you in court?
I was forced into it.
What group were you?
They forced me to join the IE group. Yes, man.
Do you belong?
I don't, in my mind, I don't belong. But I was, yes, that's the truth. I can't lie. That was in my 100 level.
100 level.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
was the year of 100 level?
2014.
Which of the schools?
Tasued University of Education. Yes, ma'am.
2014.
14. Yes,
100
ma'am.
level.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, how long have you been with them?
I've not, after the initiation, they made us make an oath that if we told anybody about what happened, they will kill us.
Okay.
So I tried as much as possible to stay away from them, and that was why I was able to graduate.
Before you stay away from them, how many out have you been with them?
I don't go after that day. I tried as much as possible to stay away from any of them. Anytime I see any of them, I was always hiding because I didn't want problems. But initially, at one point, one of them saw me, they caught me, and they threatened to take my phone if I did not pay 4,000 naira because they said they were having a party. So I was forced to pay it, and then they gave me this cap.
And did you attend the party?
I didn't.
Which cap was that?
This one here, man.
This cap?
That's his cap, yes.
You paid 4,000 naira.
Yes, ma'am.
But this cap I'm looking at,
Yes, ma'am.
it is already used. So if it's only that you paid, you don't use it to look rough like this.
It is since 100 level, since 2014.
And that means you use it, it might not even be 2-3 years, but you used it.
I don't use it, ma, because I don't want to be associated with anything that has to do with this. That's why I left it in my.
You got the Alaka now, yes?
Yes, ma.
But look,
It's better you speak the facts.
I'm
You know where we're coming from, where
yes,
we are,
ma'am.
and where we're going to.
All right, ma'am.
This car I'm looking at
Okay.
does not really look like the real car.
That was how I was giving it to, because
Someone has already used the link.
I don't know, man. This was what they just printed on it.
So who gave it to you? What's the name of the person that gave it to you?
That person has graduated a long time.
Yeah, but let's know his name.
Taniana. That's not Shizzy. Call him Shizzy. I don't know. I don't know what department he belongs to, because I was in 100 level.
What do you know is the car to do?
I don't use it to do anything. I just left it in my wardrobe.
100 level to this time, how many years?
That's 2014. That's 10 years now. 2014 to 2024.
10 years.
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
still keeping the car for 10 years.
It's in my wardrobe. I just left it there. I don't use it for anything. As a matter of fact, ma, this cutlass that was retrieved from my room, I used it to cut grass in my hostel, because when I packed to the hostel, I was the first person to get there. And then grasses used to grow. But since people now started coming to my hostel, we started contributing money. Okay.
You're talking about 10 years.
That's fine.
Even you are a medical student. I think by 6 maximum.
I graduated, ma. I've graduated.
So what happened? Are you still in these premises 10 years?
To be honest, ma, when I graduated, I finished. There was no job actually. So I just decided that there was little money with me. I just decided to rent a house because it's cheaper in the Ijele area. I decided to stay there and Ijele. I decided to rent a room.
Ijele, where is Ijele?
It's in Ijagun in Ijebu Ode, ma.
Sorry, hold on. You know Abapawa?
Yeah, yes, there are places in.
Where is Ijele to Abapawa?
Ijele is farther. Ijele is inside the school.
The school?
Yes, ma'am. There's a community in the school. That's the closest community. The school, yes, ma'am. So that was it, ma'am. I rented an apartment there. I do laundry because I have a washing machine. I do laundry for people. I engage in laundry.
Evidence of your laundry services to people.
I have my washing machine at home. I have not.
The evidence I'm talking about, maybe that the receipts you have at this point.
No, I don't have that, ma'am. No, it's just a local thing. Any student.
What of this now?
I sold this one when I finished my service. When I finished
How many years have you finished service?
I finished my service in 2022 stroke 2023.
Your service?
Yes, my service here.
That's, let's say, upper last year.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's when you started selling. What happened to your laundry services?
I was doing it together, but someone told me that this was a bit lucrative. That if I do it, I can. That if I buy one bag, I can get one bag is 9,000. I can get double 18,000. That's why.
You're selling it. So now, what have you been selling to?
Normal, some students around. I just. Yes, ma'am.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married, ma'am. I'm single.
Where are your parents?
My mom is in Imo State and my dad is in Lagos State.
In Imo?
Yes, ma'am.
You are from which state?
I'm from Imo State.
Imo State?
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you been in Imo State?
Since the period that I got admission.
There was this case that rose like middle of last year in case of some sort of guys raping Tasued girls.
Okay.
What can you say about that?
I just heard it because I live in the school area. I've been hearing the news, but I don't know any particular thing about it. Even up till now, I don't know. I can't even identify any girl that was involved in the incident up till now. They did not tell me that I was involved in rape. They didn't accuse me.
You told me you don't know what brought you there.
That's what I'm telling you. Yes.
Now, is this a lot of the thing? Another cap of the thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, can you tell me you know what brought you there? Or you still don't understand?
That is it, ma. I've understood it now, ma. Because when I first came, I didn't know why they were going to. I thought they said I was involved in rape or something, but they didn't tell me that. They didn't tell me anything.
You said you were involved in some things.
I don't know.
I want to clarify what you said.
All right.
You said they said you were involved in something. Was why you were.
No. Because I lived in the next house.
Okay, was why they picked you up.
Yes, ma'am.
So now what do you want the government to do?
I want the government to help me to get out of this mess because, as a matter of fact, it's a mess, ma'am. Because I found myself in this mess.
Selling.
And to help me to get a job if I can. I'm willing to work with my certificate if I'm able to get a good job. No. It's like I don't wish to sell this thing again because I did it because somebody told me that it was lucrative. That if I bought one, I could get double the money. and I'm using
Now you
to
understand what you want.
yes,
And now you are appealing to the government.
please. Yes, ma'am.
God bless you. Let me give them. Alaka, what's your name?
My name is Franklin Uwalaka.
Franklin
Uwalaka.
Walaka.
Uwalaka. The Alaka was coined out of my surname.
Walaka.
Yeah, Uwalaka.
What does
UWA.
that Walaka mean?
Is an Igbo meaning.
What does it mean?
I don't really know. I'm not.
Show your back. Show your back. Let's go.
Yorùbá. Makanaki sọ òdodo rẹ̀.
Ẹ bá mi lo mic. Makanaki. Kí lorúkọ yín?
Aláwọ̀dé Ìfẹ́lúwà. Aláwọ̀dé Ìfẹ́lúwà.
Aláwọ̀dé Ìfẹ́lúwà. Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni?
I'm 31 years. I'm 31 years.
Ọmọ ọdún kò ní?
I'm from Ọjọ́ba, Ìbàdàn.
Ìbàdàn. Kí ló gbé yín dé ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn?
I was arrested last week.
Ibi kan kí ló gbé yín dé ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn? Ọmọ Ìbàdàn ni yín, báwo lẹ ṣe dé ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn?
Báwo ṣe dé
Ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn. Were you see by that or you come and do something?
No, I came to school here.
To school, which of the school?
Tasued.
That's right. Láti ọdún ọ̀sọ́dún.
Láti 2013.
Ó yàtọ̀ from
Láti
when to when?
láti 2014 to 2018.
2013
2014
to 2014.
to 2018.
Sir, I'm asking the question again. From what year to what year?
I don't. Is it the?
Láti ọdún ọ̀sọ́dún. Okay, ó wọlé. Ìgbà wo ló bẹ̀rẹ̀? Ìgbà wo ló ṣe tán?
Mo wọlé 2014, mo lè ṣetán ní 2018.
2018. Kí ni course kò ṣe?
Secretary administration.
Ṣé o graduate?
No,
Kí ló dé tó fi graduate?
I have issue with schools.
Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
Wọ́n ní issue pẹ̀lú school.
Irú issue wo ló ní?
Cultism issue. Cultism.
Ó wà nínú cultism.
Yes.
Ìwà ẹ̀kọ́ tí wo ló ṣe?
Ayé
Lọ́dún
2015.
lọ́yìn iṣẹ́ tẹ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀.
Lọ́yìn iṣẹ́ tẹ̀.
Ó ti pẹ́ àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ tí wọ́n sọ school mọ́.
Tó ní iṣẹ́ tẹ̀ kí ló ń fẹ́?
TJ.
TJ. Kí ló fi iṣẹ́ tẹ̀? Báwo ló ṣe
Wọ́n invite wá sí birthday party. Ibẹ̀ lẹ́tí wá kú gbogbo ara wọn sínú yàrá kan. So àti ibẹ̀ lẹ́tí wá initiate wa.
Wọ́n initiate. Nígbà tí wọ́n initiate, orúkọ wo ni wọ́n fún mi?
Ṣé wọ́n tọ́ fún mi? Wọ́n ò fún wa lóko kankan.
Kò sí ẹni tí wọ́n máa initiate tí kò ní ní orúkọ.
TJ tó ti dáàbò ẹ̀ ti kọjá. TJ mi. Yóò ti pẹ́ inú mọ́tò lọ fi dùn alọ́njẹ wọn náà lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ní pàṣẹ. Mi ì ní ìrántí fi tọ́jú wa lọ.
Ó yá mú
Ìgbà tá a dé hòtẹ́ẹ̀ kan, ìgbà tá a pọ̀ jù wa lọ. Táwọn ni mo ṣe díjẹ́ bòde nígbà yẹn ni. Táwọn ni ẹ̀yìn ìjẹ́bòde ni. Nígbà yẹn nígbà yẹn.
Ó yá mú orúkọ wo ni wọ́n fẹ́? Kò sí ẹni tí wọ́n máa initiate tí wọ́n ní fún lórúkọ. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹnì kejì ẹ̀ tó wà nígbà yìí. Nígbà tó initiate wọ́n fún mi.
How come you buy the Makanaki? Sir, it's Makanaki. Ní kílì mímí nìyẹn. How come you buy it? So,
Mo ti ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kí tó lọ school. Mo ti ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kí tó wọ school.
Makanaki.
Olórin nínú orin láti máa kọ sí ìgbà tí gbé náà láti ọtí ń pè mí bẹ́ẹ̀.
Sorry, Ìfẹ́lúwà what?
Adétúnjì.
Adé?
Aláwọ̀dé, Ìfẹ́lúwà Aláwọ̀dé.
Aláwọ̀dé.
Sir, I haven't worked before. Mi ti rọ́bìrì láyé mi. I'm a tí mi rọ́bìrì, mi ò dẹ̀ rape.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ayé ètò jẹ́, kí ló dé tó jẹ́ pé tí àwọn ọmọléèwé ẹgbẹ́ tí wọ́n bá gbọ́ orúkọ ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ ṣe ń bá wọn pé Makanaki, kí nìdí tẹ́ fi ṣe ń bá wọn?
Mi mọ̀ ní tẹ́rù ṣe ń bá wọn o. Àdóni mi mọ̀ ní tẹ́rù ṣe ń bá wọn kọ sí.
Àwọn ọmọ iléèwé tí wọ́n ní wọ́n bá sùn, tí wọ́n ní wọ́n ń jalè wọn, tí wọ́n ń kó nǹkan wọn, wọ́n tọ́ka sí fún wa lára wọn. Èyí mélòó ni?
Èmi ò jalè rí, mi ò mú dẹ̀ lè sọ lẹ́nuwẹ̀, mi ò jalè, mi ò dẹ̀ rape rí.
pé òun náà tó mú pé kò dá láti darapọ̀ àwọn ẹgbẹ́ òun.
Nǹkan gbòógì kò yé mi mọ́ ẹgbẹ́kẹ̀ lo ọ̀rọ̀ mi gbòógì.
Kí làwọn tó ti participate nínú àwọn bóyá wọ́n fẹ́ lọ ṣe nǹkan àwọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ òkùnkùn?
Mi ò ṣe kankan bẹ́ẹ̀ ju pé bí tí
students because èmi náà ṣe union bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lábẹ́ fẹ́ lọ protest pé àwọn fowó kó oṣù.
Yàtọ̀ sí protest nǹkan tó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú cultism tó ti ṣe nígbà tó wà sí.
mi ò drop èèyàn láyé mi dẹ̀ fàyàn láyé mi. Àyà mi já ni.
Makanaki nígbà tí wọ́n ṣe nǹkan tó mọ̀ pé ọwọ́ ẹ mọ́ láti gbà tó ti wà lọ́wọ́ kí wá ló dé tí ọlọ́pàá fẹ́ tó ń wá ẹ tí wọ́n fẹ́ mú ẹ tí o fi fọ́ sínú ilé bọ́ sórí kòròdé tó fi fẹ́ fò láti sáré.
òun náà ni mo sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀ àyà mi ń já ẹ̀rù bá mi ni.
tí o mọ̀ pé ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì tó máa ṣe nìyẹn.
ẹ̀rù bá mi ni.
àkọ́kọ́ náà ẹ̀rù bá ẹ ní.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì náà ẹ̀rù bá ẹ lóye.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni ẹ̀rù bá mi.
nígbà tí o mọ̀ pé o ò níṣẹ́ ibi lọ́wọ́ kí ló dé tó ń sá kí ló dé táyà ẹ já.
Bàbá yìí fi ọ̀rọ̀ kan lọ wípé lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí wọ́n padà wá mú òun báwo lọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣe jẹ́ kí ní ọjọ́ payí pọ̀. Wọ́n nígbà tó dé ní mọ́tò ní tí ó mú
ẹ̀rì sọ̀rọ̀ èmi kọ́ mo wá mú un mo wá gbé mi sáṣìírí tèmi ni o bí mo bọ́ ṣe wá mú un àjọ ń gbé ní àjọ kan náà ni.
Ó ní wọ́n bèrè please give back the mic.
Believe in. Ìgbà tó mú mi bọ́ta nù yàrá àwa mú mi lọ sínú mọ́tò àwa béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi pé ṣé mo mọ ẹni tó wà nínú mọ́tò yẹn wọ́n á ní pé ó ń gbé ní ẹ̀gbẹ́ ilé mi Makanaki, that was it.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí òun ṣe sọ yìí ó túmọ̀ sí pé tí ọlọ́pàá bá ti fọ̀rọ̀ wá àyàn rẹ̀ lágbájá lágbájá náà kí ló jọ ọ̀dà yìí pọ̀ ṣé gbẹ̀kọ́ náà lẹ́jọ́ ń ṣe ni àbẹ́ ti jọ ṣé rí òun ṣé wà tání òṣè wọ́n ní ìta ló ti ṣe ní ìta ló ń ṣe lọ́wọ́ torí pé mo gbọ́ wípé wọ́n ní gẹ́gẹ́ bí olórí àwọn ìfirúnlélùgbé ìlà aṣọ táyà àti ìgbẹ́ wà nílẹ̀.
ẹ máa àwọn aṣọ àwọn aṣọ that one na ceremonial dress.
Ceremonial dress.
Yóò nílò láti ṣe kankan pọ̀ so anybody ló lè wọ suit. èmi kọ́ mo dúró ó sọ́lẹ̀ pé mi kọ́ òun náà mo sọ ẹbí ẹ̀kọ́ papọ̀ ẹ̀rù náà lọ sọ́lẹ̀ pé ẹ̀rù náà mo sọ pé ẹbí ẹ̀kọ́ papọ̀ ayé náà ni
pàtí mélòó ló ti bá wọn ṣe pàtí mélòó yẹn ní ayé ìtìṣẹ́ tó ti lọ.
Yàtọ̀ sí ọjọ́ tó ti ṣètò yẹn àní tó bá yẹ kó má bá wọn lọ pàtí ẹlẹ́nu mo fẹ́ gbára tẹ̀ sí ẹ̀fọ́.
má jẹ́ ká fà á kù pàtí wo ló ṣẹlẹ̀ láìpẹ́ tí ẹ̀yìn ayé ṣe.
No, mi ò lọ rí mi ò lọ pàtí
nígbà tó graduate ẹ ṣe àjọyọ̀.
No.
pàtí wo lẹ ṣe.
Ṣe anything.
Ẹ ṣe pàtí tó wà nínú fóònù 13 days gbogbo ìwọ aṣọ ayé.
No fóònù mi.
Ẹnu ọ̀nà ọ̀sọ́gbọ́ 4,000 kan wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe pàtí kan transfer kọ́ ló dúró lọ́sàn.
Okay, 4,000 yẹn fọ́ọ̀sì mi. Kọ̀ọ̀kan sọ fún mi pé tí ẹ̀ bá sọ máa gba fóònù mi. Wọ́n ti ẹ̀ ti gba fóònù mi gan. Mo á fún un.
So ṣé bí pàtí yẹn ni àwọn ń fẹ́ bí?
No, 100 level nìyẹn. Ẹ̀nà àwọn tí mo sọ 2014.
Ẹ̀yin wo lẹ wà nínú group ẹ̀jẹ̀ jẹ́ wọ́n ní sí.
Àwọn tí wọ́n ti ṣe tán ọdún ṣe tán yẹn. Ẹ̀rọ ti ṣe tán.
Lẹ́jọ́ wà nínú group yẹn lẹ́nu kọ́kọ́ bá wọn ṣe àwọn wà nínú group.
Lẹ́yìn tẹ́ bá lọ wo inú group yẹn mi ò sọ ọ̀rọ̀ kankan rí ń bẹ̀. Ọ̀fi nọ́mbà mi sí because èmi kàn ní àná. Ó rẹ̀ lè yọ. Ní ilé yọra mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ kò possible. Àti tí bá tó bá pẹ́ wọ́n yọ mí fúnra wọn ní àdúgbò wọn ní nọ́mbà mi. Wọ́n fi mí sí mi kí sọ kankan lẹ̀ tó bá ẹnu lọ bá fóònù kẹrin mi ò rí táìpù kankan sórí ibẹ̀.
Ní báyìí tí gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe àgbègbè ìbẹ̀rù hospital kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ kí ló fà á tó fi kọ́ sí kókó kúrò ní ilé ẹ̀kọ́ gíga Tasued kí làwọn kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láìpẹ́.
Because of cultism náà.
Because of what?
Cultism.
Ìwà ẹ̀ kí wọ́n lè wá ti kúrò lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ Tasued tó bá ẹ̀ ṣe wá sí ti òun lẹ́nu fún àwọn ọlọ́pàá ti dé báyìí.
Ó kókó ń bẹ̀ náà.
Àwọn pẹ́rẹ́ǹtì tó ń bọ̀.
Mo wà Ìbàdàn.
Ṣé wọ́n mọ̀ pé wọ́n ti lọ sí pé
Mo mọ̀.
wọ́n mọ̀
Ìgbésẹ̀ wo kọ́?
Mi ti bímọ bọ́ mo níyàwó.
Olùyàwó wà.
Ìyàwó à ń bàdàn.
Ṣé o mọ̀ pé mo ti wà?
Wọ́n ti ń wá. Wọ́n dáná náà ti wá. Ọwọ́ mi lọ́wọ́ náà ni kí
Yàtọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ school iṣẹ́ wo ló kọ́?
mo kọ́ graphics.
Graphics.
Ṣé o fi ń ṣiṣẹ́ ṣe?
Mo fi ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀.
Technical ṣé àwọn
Nígbà bíi banner everything design, graphic design, the one my design everything.
Kọ́jọ kan fún mi ní iṣẹ́, mo wà willing láti ṣiṣẹ́. Mo wà willing láti anything, gbogbo àwọn nǹkan báyìí náà mo ṣe torí pé mo ní ìdòwú, mo lè parọ́, mo ṣe. But tó bá fún mi ní iṣẹ́ gidi, I'm willing to work. I have any iṣẹ́. I studied English language. I studied English, mo dẹ̀ lè ṣiṣẹ́, but mo ti try láti wá mi ò rí. Yes, I graduated. My service certificate is in Lagos with my dad. I have my NYSC pictures too. I graduated, man.
$50 ó ti gbà nínú iṣẹ́ yahoo. Olùmọ́tò ò lò ń lò.
Mi ò ní mọ́tò sọ.
Ok, nígbà tó parí school yẹn kí ló tó lọ sílé?
Mi ò ní owó
Kí
tí
tó
máa fi
padà sí ilé nígbà tó parí school?
ilé tí dádì mi àti àbúrò mi ń gbé. Wọ́n ń gbé ní Ṣómólú. Wọ́n ń gbé bẹ̀. So owó kékeré tí mo rí, mo fẹ́ gba ilé tẹ́lẹ̀ ní Èkó, but owó ilé yẹn pọ̀. Wọ́n á rí ilé tuntun tó ṣẹ̀ kọ́ ní àdúgbò wa níbi tí mo ti school yẹn. Wọ́n á gbà bẹ̀. Ibẹ̀ mo ti wá ń gbé, mo ti ń ṣe.
Now kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí?
Ní ọjọ́ Friday.
díẹ̀ lára àwọn tí wọ́n lè wá síbi ìfihàn àwọn afurasí ọ̀daràn náà ni a ti ṣe ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ pẹ̀lú wọn yìí. Tí wọ́n bá kọ́ àwọn mìíràn dé ká tó kúrò níbí lónìí, á tún lórí ọ̀fẹ́ láti ṣe ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ pẹ̀lú wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n lára àwọn ohun tí wọ́n jẹ́ àmúṣagbára ti ohun tí ó jẹ́ àwọn irinṣẹ́ ìjà wọn náà lórí tí wọ́n lé sílẹ̀ yìí, kọ́nà ọba kó jọ kó dáàbò ẹ̀ gbogbo wa, kó má jẹ́ ká kú sọ́kò ìwá nǹkan jẹ. Ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn la wà yìí o, lólú iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá Ilese àmọ̀ sí Eléwéran. Láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹni tí ó jẹ́ ọ̀gá yányán iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá eléyìí tó wà ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn yìí, CP Alamutu Abiodun Mustapha.
In the case of armed robbery on 12th January 2024 at about 08:45 hours, one Kashimawo Emmanuel male of Tasued, Ijebu-Ode, reported at the station that while he was driving in his Toyota Venza car with registration number LSD 813EX, brown in color, that he came across a gang of 4 armed men, and one of them was putting on a police round neck camouflage, while 3 others were muffed. They demanded for his phone, which he calmly declined. In the process, one of them fired a shot into the air, and that was when he complied. They entered into his car and took him away towards Shagamu Expressway. On getting to Ososa, they made a U-turn to Ijebu-Ode, where a sum of 312,000 naira was forcefully transferred from his account to an OP account number 909-782-9766. Upon the receipt of this report, the DPO quickly made a call to the OP account number, where it was discovered that OP account belongs to a POS operator in Ijebu-Ode. The DPO then gave instruction that on no account should the POS operator give out the money transferred to that account to anyone who comes for it. More so, the operator should tactically delay anyone who comes for the money pending his arrival. On getting to the POS shop at Ibadan Garage, one first number 513707, Corporal Idowu Sunday, attached to Ijebu Ife, was met waiting to cash the money and was promptly arrested.
Correct.
While taking him to the station, he cited his accomplices, namely AB number 341113, Inspector Taiwo Kolawole, and AB number 309292, Inspector John Ogbe, both attached to Ijebufe Division, and one civilian, Adesina Matthew, who happened to be the driver, was also arrested. Exhibits recovered from them include type 06 rifle, one AK-47 rifle, and one Toyota Camry. In the course of investigation, 2 other victims who had earlier or been attacked came forward and identified them to have earlier robbed them of their belongings in the like manner. The 3 policemen have been tried in the room and dismissed. They will be charged to court soonest. We equally recorded a case of arrest of notorious armed robber, kidnapper, serial rapist, suspect.
Kí ló dé tó fi gbé? Kí ló fi ṣe? Tani jàmẹ́? Òun ló ní kó gbé. Ògbà tó gbé fún kọ́? Kí ló ń fi ṣe? Ó tà fún yẹn. Èló ló ń tà? Ọmọ mélòó ló gbé fún? Ọmọ mélòó ló sì gbé? 5. Kí ló máa ń fún ẹ tó bá gbé fún? Kí ló ń san fún wọn?
No one sọ fún anybody.
Tó ń fún ẹ lówó tó bá ti gbọ́mọ fún kí ló máa ń san fún wọn? Èló ló ń fún ẹ?
Kò máa ń fún ẹ lówó.
Agbègbè ibo ló ti gbé àwọn ọmọ yẹn?
Ó sọ pé ó fún ẹ ní 1 million. Ó fún ẹ ní 1 million. Ṣé lórí ọmọ kan tó bá gbé? Lórí ọmọ márùn-ún yẹn ó ti fún ẹ ní 5 million. Níbo ló fi sí? Níbo ló wà? Níbo ni 5 million yẹn wà?
Agbègbè ibo ni àwọn ìtẹ́ ti gbé àwọn ọmọ yẹn? Agbègbè ibo lẹ ti máa ń gbé wọn? Àwọn márààrún tẹ́ ti gbé yẹn. Ibo lẹ ti gbé àkọ́kọ́? Sáìdì ibo lẹ ti gbé àkọ́kọ́?
Àgbàdo.
Kí lẹ pé?
Àgbàdo.
Àgbàdo. Ibo lẹ ti gbé kejì?
Àgbàdo.
Ṣàgbàdo náà lẹ ti gbé gbogbo márààrún yẹn?
Báwo lẹ ṣe máa ń gbé wọn?
How do you
Báwo ló ṣe máa ń gbé wọn?
How do you take
No, I see the baby walking.
Okay.
Ṣé o máa ń múra bí wèrè ni àbí o kàn máa ń lọ bí èèyàn gidi?
Wọ́n múra ni mo rẹ̀.
Mi gbọ́.
Wọ́n múra ni.
O máa ń múra.
Mo ló máa gbé sí tó bá gbé. Ṣé o kàn máa gbé tó máa gbé sínú báàgì ni àbò máa pọ̀n sẹ́yìn?
Mo gbé sí ọwọ́ mi.
Máa gbé sọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
Ọmọ yóò rẹ̀ ní pé.
Ṣọ́mọ ò ní ké ni? Tọ́mọ bá ń ké ńkọ́? Kí ló máa ń lò tọ́mọ yẹn ò fi ní ké? So gbogbo àwọn ọmọ márààrún just carry and they won't cry.
Wé Ahmed ní ibo Ahmed wà.
Wọ́n ti sá lọ.
Ó ti sá lọ.
Ọdún kelòó rè tó ti ń jí ọmọ gbé?
How many years ago?
Lọ ọlọ́pàá ti mú ẹ.
Ọ̀la àná ni.
Àná.
Níbo ni wọ́n ti mú ẹ? Báwo ni wọ́n ṣe mú ẹ? Where did they arrest you? Where? Speak now. Where did they arrest you?
Where were you arrested? Bọ́lá ti mú ẹ.
Ṣé ọlọ́pàá ló mú ẹ ni àbí àwọn ará àdúgbò?
Ará àdúgbò ló mú ẹ. Ọmọ tó gún ká mọ́ ẹ lọ́wọ́ ńgbà tó mú ẹ, ọmọ náà dàbí ló wà.
Ọ̀dọ̀ ìyá ẹ̀.
Ó wà lọ́dọ̀
ìyá ẹ̀.
Ìyá ẹ̀.
Báwo ló ṣe múra ńgbà tó jí ọmọ yẹn gbé? Ṣé o múra bí wèrè ni àbí? O múra bí wèrè.
Kí ló wá fẹ́ kí ìjọba ṣe fún ẹ báyìí?
Ṣàánú mi.
Kí lorúkọ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kan sí? Mary kí ni? Mary Ahmed. Ọmọ ìlú bo ni ẹ́? Ẹdó. Ó ti tó ọdún mélòó ló ti wà ní Ṣógun State ló ti ṣe àbí? Ó ti tó ọdún mélòó ló ti wà lógun State?
Ìgbà wo ló dọ́dọ̀ ọkọ ẹ̀? Ìgbà wo lẹ fẹ́ra?
2001.
Ọmọ mélòó ló bí fún un? Láti 2001.
Okay.
Àbí 2021 ló fẹ́ sọ ni? 2021. 2021. Okay.
Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ́? 30.
What do you kí ni àdéhùn kí ni ọ̀rọ̀ tí wà tí báwo la mẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ṣàlàyé fún ẹ pé òun fẹ́ máa ṣe ọmọ yẹn ẹ̀ báwo ni tell us the details láìláì lè fẹ́ ìjọba lè ràn lọ́wọ́ náà you are not saying the truth so kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan ṣàlàyé sí ilé ìwé nígbà wo ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ gangan nígbà wo ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ báwo ni ahmed ṣe pé báwo ló ṣe sọ fún ẹ. ahmed fúnra ìjọmọ gbé. Okay. So kí ló sọ pé òun fi ṣe kí ló fa àwọn ọmọ yẹn ṣe? Okay, amen fi àwọn ọmọ tó bá gbé ṣòwò. Okay, you are aware. Okay. So ìgbà ló wá sọ fún ẹ pé o máa bá òun jí ọmọ gbé. Ìgbà ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bá jọ ọmọ gbé. Ìgbà wo?
2000 and.
Ó ní ìtàsté.
Ìtàsté, okay.
Ó ti pẹ́ tẹ̀sí tó ti gbàgbé.
Àwọn ọmọ tí ẹ̀ ń gbé yẹn níbo lẹ gbé wọn síta ló ń gbà lọ́wọ́ yín? Grandma Ahmed ló ń gbà.
Níbo ni Ahmed máa ń gbé ọmọ lọ?
Ṣé wọ́n tó bí special náà baby?
Ok, ó máa ń lọ tà fáwọn tí wọ́n bá nílò ẹ̀. Èló ni Ahmed ń tà? Èló ló ń tọmọ kan?
1 million dàgbọ́. 1 million.
Ló ń ta ọmọ kan? Èló ni Ahmed máa ń fún ọ? Èló ni Ahmed ń fún ẹ?
2 million.
Òṣèlú ní 1 million ló ń fún ẹ tẹ́lẹ̀.
1 million fún mi tẹ́lẹ̀.
Èló ni Ahmed fún ẹ ń ta ọmọ?
Ọmọ.
Èló ló ń ta ọmọ fún ọ? Irú kí ni èjì àwọn ọmọ tẹ́ máa ń jí gbé kí lọ́jọ́ orí wọn irú àwọn ọmọ ọdún mélòó?
Ọdún kan.
Òkè ọmọ òkókó lẹ máa ń gbé ọmọ ọdún kan ọmọ tó ń rìn lọ. Náà tó bá gbé ọmọ tó bá ń sunkún pé kí ló máa ṣe kí ni báwo ló ṣe ń gbé? Ṣé ọmọ yẹn ò ní ké ni?
Tó bá ké kí ló máa fi ń bẹ̀?
Kí ló máa fi bẹ̀?
Mo ra biscuit.
Wọ́n máa ń ra
biscuit.
Ok, so wà á gbèdéde báwo ló ṣe ń gbé tí àwọn èèyàn ò ní fi rí ẹ ṣé ọwọ́ alẹ́ ló máa ń gbé ní àbọ̀sán àbí ọ̀sán àwọn èèyàn tó bá rí ẹ pẹ̀lú ọmọ ńkọ́ táwọn èèyàn kì í rí ẹ ni.
Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
Some people see me.
Okay, some people will see when they see you, what will their reaction be?
They owe me.
They owe you. Okay.
Now, tó bá jẹ́ ọmọ yẹn gbé ibo ló máa gbé lọ? Ibo ló ti máa pàdé Ahmed?
Ọ̀dọ̀ ilé.
Ilé.
Ṣé ilé tẹ́jọ́ ń gbé àbí ibi tí ẹ ti ń lọ tọ́ ọmọ?
Ilé ni.
Ilé tẹ́jọ́ ń gbé.
Ṣé Ahmed ẹ̀ ń ṣe ọkọ ẹ̀mí Ahmed?
Ọkọ mi.
Ṣé wọ́n ti bímọ? O ti bímọ? Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ?
Náà sí.
Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni Ahmed ọkọ ẹ̀? Ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Wọ́n dọ̀ mélòó ti gbé báyìí? Àti gbé ọmọ mélòó báyìí?
So Ahmed ti wá sá lọ báyìí. Ìyá Ahmed tó lẹ́ máa ń gbọ́mọ fún kọ́. Ìyá Ahmed, the mother wey born Ahmed ń kọ́.
Ìyá Ìjẹ̀bú. Ta ló mú ẹ wá sí Ogun State? Ta ló mú ẹ wá sí ìlú? Ahmed ló mú ẹ wá. Láti ibo ló ti mú ẹ wá? Ahmed ló mú ẹ wá sí Ogun State àbí?
ẹ ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì yìí, ẹ hàn notification button kẹ́ lè láǹfààní àti gbádùn wa síwájú sí i. Àjọṣepọ̀ wa la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí.